We have a 1963 KenCraft. This is the 20-foot single axle model that's got the very desirable corner kitchen, and we'll show you that in a minute. It literally just got pulled out of the barn yesterday. It's been a project for the last few years, but the owner became ill and it has sat, and unfortunately he has passed away. So the trailer is now available. It's about 90% finished. It's in real good shape. A lot of the work has been done. New plumbing, you can see, even though they're dusty, new tanks and regulators and batteries and tires, even a new hot water heater. It definitely needs some finishing. The paint is okay, but it's kind of plain. Nothing fancy there, but the body's in very decent shape. We have all of the keys for all of the doors and locks and everything. The work that needs to be done, I'll show you inside a little bit, but this rear trunk needs to be remounted. A little bit of fiberglass body work there, nothing too major, but that area needs to be redone and put back together, the frame there. And again, like I said, the paint is in fair condition, but let's check out the inside. This one's really cute and really a great, desirable floor plan. I'll open up the lens here a little bit so you can see a little better the full range. Nice woodwork, lots and lots of cabinets. It's kind of got that neat little shelf over there in the corner, and this one's got a little table. You can put a couple little chairs in here. Great trailer for a couple, you know, to just hang out. Lots of big windows. The countertops are nice. The backsplash here, unfortunately, it looks like they were going to replace it and they've taken some of it off. I have both of those pieces, except it's missing a little bit down here. I don't know if you could figure out how to put that back together. I would put the original backsplashes back in, but that's just me. So we've got a little gas stove. I think you can probably see here that that's the new hot water heater and the PEX plumbing that's been replaced. I think that's a little generator for the battery. Sorry, I don't know a whole ton about this trailer. Like I say, the gentleman that was doing it passed away, and we had found it for him years ago, and he was in the process of doing the restoration before he passed. That's the bathroom sink, and you'll see where it needs to be replaced when we get back to the bathroom. One of the neat things about this model is the twin beds, and so this has twin beds with storage underneath. This here probably used to be a gas heater, but has been converted into more storage now. Little display shelf up there, and just lots of storage space, cabinets, nice woodwork. You can see that this trailer is in just about ready to go shape. I think this is a neat little addition here, this little shelf above this bed, and you kind of got this little view out the window. Might even be able to put a little TV there that could flip around either way to view from the front or the back. A little magazine holder there above that end of that bed. But the work that needs left to be done on it is here in the bathroom. It appears to be mostly cosmetic. The backsplashes, the walls, the woodwork back here could be done. You could do that in Formica or back in wood. There's the door for the vanity here, and like I said, the sink's up front. I think that is the top for the vanity. It might need to have new Formica or something put on it. Got access here to the shower fixture to finish that, and the drains and things are in. Also, there's the Formica for the backsplash in the kitchen, and a new Marty's awning for the trailer. So this is where most of the work needs to be done. Here's another cabinet. I haven't even really looked in here yet, but here's another cabinet with a vent stack. But that's it. With a little bit of handiwork, you could have a really nice trailer that really doesn't need all that much to make it ready to go.